This is estate planning basic documents. So I'm not going to be talking about a lot of details on each of those documents, but before we can really talk about documents that protect assets against long-term care costs, we need to know, well, what do those basic documents look like? So durable powers of attorney for finances and for healthcare. Those are really important documents that have been drafted with the idea of protecting assets against long-term care costs. We'll talk about what does that look like. Also, your healthcare directive and your living will. That's the document that says what you would want if you are at end of life. What kind of medical treatment do you want? We're going to be talking about wills and revocable living trusts. Those are two basic ways that people will transfer assets upon their death. A will takes effect only upon death. A revocable living trust takes effect when you sign it during your lifetime and then continues after your death to direct where your assets go. Now, within wills and within revocable living trusts, there are subtrusts or different types of trusts. Trusts can protect against unnecessary estate taxes. Both a will and a revocable living trust can do that to make sure that upon death, the person's credit shelter exemption amount is taken advantage of. In Washington state, what we're talking about is a 2.193 million amount of assets that can pass on somebody's death without being subject to Washington's estate tax. Now, there is a federal estate tax, which is much higher, $13+ million, at least as of this year. There are changes in the works with the federal estate tax, but we are just going to go with what it currently is, $13.61 million. And what I'm going to be talking about and showing you also is how a will can protect against long-term care costs. So the will can protect against long-term care costs for the benefit of another person. It's your living documents, your durable powers of attorney, especially for finances, that can protect you against long-term care costs while you are alive.